Sometimes everything's just kind of gray, kind of monochromatic. Where's the sun? Where's the green, the variety? Where's spring? It's still winter. Winter in the inside, winter on the outside. Sometimes they match, sometimes not. And don't we all go through these periods? And life asks us, just stop, rest, be quiet. No need to be anything, do anything, figure things out, solve the riddles of your life. Somehow just, there's an exhale. You can't always be inhaling, doing, creating, having a good time. This is not about its opposite. This is just the pause. The pause in life. Saying, pause. Can you stop long enough? Rest inside. Feel and sense into your being. Your being that is so precious, that accompanies you your whole life since you were born. The same being that is doing this life, always accompanying every moment in the background silently, or not so silent. Sometimes there's a honking from being that says, pay attention. This is here, always waiting for you. Why cover it over with all this running around, all this imagination, all this doing, all these worries? Life will continue needing to be done. You don't have to worry about that. There's another day, another moment to take care of business. But right now, the still silent lake, very, very, very quiet, very peaceful. It's just waiting inside of you, saying, just put down all the doing and rest right here. Rest here with me, together. Let's take a pause and feel into that which is eternally still living presence.